Welcome to Authio OTP Contact Form 7, the smarter way to secure your website forms with seamless multi-channel OTP verification, making every submission trustworthy and protected. This walkthrough will guide you through each step of the process, including installation, configuration, and setting up seamless OTP verification for your forms. Before starting, make sure you have Contact Form 7 installed and activated on your WordPress website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Contact Form 7, then click Install Now and activate. This plugin allows you to create and manage contact forms on your website. Now, let's install the Authio OTP Contact Form 7 plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Authio OTP for Contact Form 7, then click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. Alternatively, you can also install it manually. Simply download the plugin zip file provided by Authio, then go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose the downloaded zip file, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate Plugin. After activation, you'll see a new option in your WordPress sidebar named Authio OTP. Open Authio OTP. You'll see three fields: App ID, Client ID, and Client Secret Key. To find these details, log in to your Authio dashboard and go to Application, User Application from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see your created applications. Each application displays its own app ID, client ID, and client secret. Simply copy these values and paste them into the respective fields in your WordPress plugin settings. Once all three values are entered, click Save Changes to successfully connect your plugin with your Authio account. Next, go to the Verification Methods tab and choose how users will receive their OTPs via email, SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call. You can enable one or multiple options as needed. Under Phone OTP settings, select your primary verification method, for example, SMS. Then, set a fallback timer, which determines how long the system waits before displaying alternative delivery options such as WhatsApp or voice call if the initial OTP is not received. In the same section, locate Allow Visitor method choice. Enable this option to allow users to select their preferred OTP delivery method, SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call, immediately after entering their phone number. When this option is disabled, the system first uses the configured primary method, and fallback options appear only after the fallback timer expires. Here, you can also configure OTP length, OTP expiry time, recent cooldown, maximum recent attempts. Under Country Selector configuration, choose whether to display all countries or only selected countries for phone verification, and refresh the list to update your country data. Once all settings are configured, click Save Changes. Open the Form Integration tab to see all your contact forms. Select the forms where you want OTP verification to be enabled. Click Save Changes once you're done. To integrate OTP fields into a contact form, go to Contact, Add New, or edit an existing form. In the editor, add the relevant Authio shortcodes depending on your verification needs. For email verification only, use the email OTP shortcode. For phone verification via SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call, use the phone OTP shortcode. For dual verification, include both shortcodes. After adding the shortcodes, give your form a title and click Save. You'll now see your contact form with Authio OTP fields integrated. Users can verify using either email or phone number. For email verification, users enter their email address and click Send OTP to email. Authio sends a one-time password instantly, which users enter to verify. For phone verification, users enter their phone number and choose their preferred OTP delivery method, SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call. After selecting the method, Authio sends the OTP through the chosen channel. Once the OTP is received and verified, users can proceed to successfully submit the form. Your forms are now smarter, safer, and more trustworthy, giving you genuine user leads with real-time authentication. Authio provides a complimentary $1 credit to help you get started. For example, when sending email OTPs, the cost per OTP is 15 paise. With the current exchange rate of 88 rupee per dollar, this free $1 credit allows you to send approximately 586 email OTPs at no additional cost. Once the complimentary balance is fully utilized, you can easily purchase additional credits to continue sending OTPs without interruption. For more details, please visit our official website at www.authio.io. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Authio OTP for Contact Form 7. We hope this guide helped you set up secure and verified contact forms on your WordPress website.